Hey there, pancake lover. Tired of complicated recipes? I've got a game changer for you. Today, we're whipping up the fluffiest pancakes using just self-rising flour. It's so easy, you'll wonder why you haven't tried it before. All the ingredients are in the description, so let's get flipping. Alright, let's get started by preheating a non-stick skillet or griddle over medium heat. This is important because you want the pan to be nice and hot when you pour the batter in, ensuring that the pancakes cook evenly. While the pan is heating up, melt 1 tablespoon of butter and swirl it around to coat the entire surface. This will prevent the pancakes from sticking and add a delicious buttery flavor. Next, grab a large mixing bowl and combine your self-rising flour and sugar. Whisk these dry ingredients together until they are well combined. The self-rising flour already has baking powder and salt mixed in, which will help your pancakes rise and become fluffy. The sugar adds a touch of sweetness to balance the flavors. In a separate bowl, whisk together the milk, egg, and melted butter until they are fully combined. This mixture of wet ingredients will bring moisture and richness to your pancakes. Make sure the butter is melted but not too hot, as you don't want to cook the egg prematurely. Now, pour the wet ingredients into the bowl with the dry ingredients. Mix everything together until just combined. It's okay if the batter is slightly lumpy. Over-mixing can make the pancakes tough. The lumps will disappear as the pancakes cook, leaving you with a light and fluffy texture. Using a 1/2 cup measuring cup, scoop the batter onto the hot griddle. You should hear a slight sizzle as the batter hits the pan. Cook the pancakes for about 2-3 minutes, or until bubbles start to appear on the surface and the edges begin to set. This is your cue that they are ready to be flipped. Carefully flip the pancakes and cook for another 2-3 minutes on the other side, until they are golden brown. You can gently lift the edge of a pancake to check the color. They should be beautifully golden and smell amazing. Serve the pancakes immediately with your choice of toppings. Classic options include maple syrup and butter, but you can also get creative with fresh fruit, chocolate chips, or even a dollop of whipped cream. Enjoy your delicious homemade pancakes. And that's it. Enjoy this delicious recipe. Before I go, don't forget that there's a link in the video description with the 3 best cookbooks. They will help you cook like a professional chef, with new recipes and great tricks. Click now and improve your cooking skills. See you in the next recipe.